Hey, lovelies! Welcome back to Beauty Tips. Today, we're diving into the ultimate pampering session, pedicure. Who doesn't love treating their feet to some TLC? Right, and not just any pedicure. We're talking about getting those feet whiter and brighter in no time. Plus, I've got some amazing dermatologist-approved creams to share with you for that extra glow. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a basin filled with warm water, Epsom salts, a foot scrub, a pumice stone, cuticle oil, a moisturizing cream, and of course, your favorite nail polish. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Soak your feet in the warm water mixed with Epsom salts for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps to soften the skin and relax those tired feet. Trust me, it's pure bliss. Step 2. Time to exfoliate. Grab your favorite foot scrub and gently massage it onto your feet, focusing on those rough patches and heels. This helps to slough off dead skin cells, leaving your feet smoother and brighter. Step 3. Say hello to the pumice stone. Use this to gently buff away any stubborn calluses or rough spots, revealing softer, more radiant skin underneath. Step 4. Don't forget about those cuticles. Apply a few drops of cuticle oil and massage it into nourish and hydrate the skin around your nails. Healthy cuticles equal healthier looking nails. Step 5. Time to moisturize. Choose a rich, hydrating cream and massage it into your feet and calves, focusing on dry areas. This helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Now, let's talk about those dermatologist-approved creams that will take your pedicure to the next level. These creams are specially formulated to target specific foot concerns and deliver visible results.
Look for creams containing ingredients like urea, glycolic acid, or salicylic acid, as these help to exfoliate and soften the skin. Some popular options include CeraVe Renewing SA Foot Cream and Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream.
Revita Heel Renewal Cream. Key ingredients: shea butter, AHA, BHA complex, vitamin E benefits, softens rough skin, exfoliates dead cells, brightens dull areas, and promotes skin renewal. Full Soothe Repair Cream. Key ingredients: urea, salicylic acid. Peppermint oil benefits: reduces calluses, improves overall foot texture, hydrates deeply, and soothes tired feet. And there you have it, lovelies. With a little bit of pampering and the right products, you can achieve whiter, smoother feet right in the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to pamper yourself, because you deserve it. Ah, my dear beauties, gather round, here we stand, at the heart of our sanctuary of beauty, ready to embark on a journey of self-care and indulgence. But fear not, for today I bring forth treasures not of gold or jewels, but of nature's purest essence, crafted into DIY elixirs to grace your precious feet. Coconut oil and vitamin E foot cream. Combine coconut oil with the oil from a few vitamin E capsules in a small bowl. Mix well until you get a creamy consistency. Massage the cream onto your feet, paying special attention to dry areas. Put on a pair of socks and leave the cream on overnight for deep hydration and repair. Lemon and baking soda foot scrub. Mix together lemon juice and baking soda to create a paste. Gently scrub your feet with the mixture, focusing on rough patches and calluses. The lemon helps brighten the skin and remove dead cells, while the baking soda exfoliates and softens. These DIY treatments are not only effective, but also use natural ingredients that are gentle on the skin. Incorporate them into your foot care routine for beautiful, healthy feet all year round. Dear beauties, as we bid adieu to these humble treasures of nature, may you carry their essence within you, a whispered promise of love and care for the vessels that carry us through life's journey. Until we meet again, may your steps be light, your heart be full, and your beauty shine as bright as the stars above. Farewell, dear ones, until our paths intertwine once more.